Did you know that a surgeon has an obligation to cut only those things that he can see? Would you like to learn what this is about? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. A surgeon has an obligation to cut those things that he can see. What'll happen if he cuts something that he can't see? Well, a couple of things could happen. If he cuts something that he cannot see or is unaware that he's cutting, you could have devastating consequences. Let's say he cuts the bowel. Well, the bowel contents could then leak into the abdominal cavity and could become very deadly. Why? Because the bowel contents are not supposed to be in the abdomen, and then it can become infected. You can get a system-wide infection known as sepsis, and if not diagnosed and corrected promptly, what can happen is you can die as a result of that. Or if he cuts an adjacent organ that should not be cut, he won't recognize that until many days later or until your condition deteriorates. It is critical that a surgeon only cuts something that he can see, because if there's too much blood in the way, if there are things that he can't see or maybe scar tissue, then he has an obligation to make sure he's not cutting something he shouldn't be cutting. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into some of the things that go on when evaluating a medical malpractice case and some of the cases that I see every single day here in my office. You know, chances are you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter, and if your matter happened here in the state of New York and you have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. I do this every single day and I welcome your call. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Jerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks so much for watching.